Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C71 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with removing the cache from a specific app. So if you feel that the app is working a little bit slower than before, then you can try to remove the cache. Let's begin with opening the settings. And in the settings, we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on App Management. And right here, we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. So let's localize the app which is not really that fast and try to clear cache. So let me choose, for example, this one. Right here, after entering the app, we have to tap on storage usage, and as you can see here, we've got this section with cache, so all of those junk files which are saved. So all you have to do is to simply tap on clear cache, and as you can see, your device will immediately remove it, and your device should work, maybe not device, but the app should work faster. The other thing which you can do is to actually try to optimize your whole device. So let's find the phone manager. For sure, you've got this app installed. It is pre-installed by the developer. So just find it in the app list, phone manager, device manager. And as you can see here, we've got this option optimize, and under it, we've got the cleanup storage. So just tap on it, and here we've got the app cleanup. And the deep cleanup. So of course you can check whether you want to do something like that or not. Here we've got photos. As you can see, we can remove some unnecessary files and then simply tap on clean, and your device will remove everything. Everything which is not necessary. The same with optimize. Your device will basically do the cleanup, check the privacy, security, protection, and general. And as you can see, it will remove junk files. And the last thing, the last resort, which will also, let's say, confirm all of those previous operations, is the reset. So basically turn off and turn on your device again. All you have to do is to press the power button and volume up button together. Just a quick press to open this menu, and basically just tap on restart. Your device will be, not tap, but just swipe your this toggle to the reset option, and then your device will be restarted and all of those changes will be confirmed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.